Okay, so I've been doing Latex for a while and stumbled upon this Latex file from the net. Like some features, like some of the way he did this thing. Uh, Traditionally, I would just write lines up in lines of title, a very normal way. But here, he makes some function names and definitions in the top, so that you just come in here, you just write your subtitle, you write your title, you write your author, and then now actually I'm going to define a little bit more because I'm writing a lattice report for internship. So obviously there'll be more than just title. There'll be the company name and all these things. So I'm also making those function names. Let's see some of the function names that. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna write some function name here. This guy made titles and author, and I'm gonna make something more. So make at title, make a title, no, make it letter. Yeah, at letter. Make a letter. So we'll see, for example, this is the function name, function definition. Let's do a kind of a reverse engineering. This is my title, right? This is my title, and what I'm doing is that I only write these things: print the title, print the author, and it does the same sequence I tell it to do. And you'll notice that there's not a big chunk of line, and it's always defined, so I don't have to repeat the code. This you can do observe this. I observed in a lot of in a few other coding environment as well. For example, when people make websites, they really nicely organize and neatly make this kind of standard kind of reference. Some things that you do over and over again, and you don't want to repeat this thing, so all you make is that you make functions, you make macros, or you just don't want to repeat this thing. So this is one of the nice beautiful things. So we can organize it. So for example, this macro, as we explained before, all it does is just writes it, and then it comes out. So let's make our own macro. Since I'm making an internship report, I will have company name as well and other things. Let's look at the Word file that I'm converting to Latex. Well, things I need. So start commenting this thing. I have this. Okay, so I have a this is my major name, company name, and the course name. Right, major company internship company, and course name, course name, and the title, and then supervisor, and finally the internee name and period. Okay, there's one more thing, period and type, right? Period and time. So gotta make some long list of function names. Let me just show you one of the function I'm making. So you see, this is basically the function, right? I just separate it once again somewhere else. This is my function, okay? That I have a function name. This is the function name, and what does this function do is that it takes this guy, this guy. This is my information, right? This is my information. Like say in Java, this would have been an object with information put, like for example title dot name, title dot this thing. So this guy has the information, and then this actually I just went to the net and I checked out what this does is that it's just a new line. That's it. I just tell it to line break. It's like a line break. Okay, go to a new line, and as this is centering, so pretty much self-explanatory. So what about these two guys? There's one on top and one on bottom. Make it letter and make it other. What does it do is that it just allows us to use this letter, this thing. Well, let's just say that these two things we need when you make a macro, or in the language of Java. It's even Java has a macro, but I would like to say these are functions. Really, I don't like macro. This is a function. I mean, functions are powerful, and why should I disrespect it? Let me respect it to the awesome way. Let me write a function name. Let's just write a function name. yeah, I was actually writing it up there. So make a letter, and then I have to define it. Let's say define name of what print. Uh, I think what is it, major? Yeah, print major, and this is gonna be my thing, and then I'm gonna print this. So apparently, I don't know. They have a bracket within a bracket. I don't know the point of it, but yeah, that's how they do it. Centering. I'm gonna center the information that I'm gonna put, and title. Centering at. We will write define major name, so major plus. Okay, and then we'll have a break. That's it. All right, so that's it. That's pretty much it. Actually, I don't need two more. That's it. Okay, there we go. So this is my function, and I'm gonna make also the same for the rest of it. Till then,